Today we discuss the following topics: how data science is the beginning of AI, how to start a data science journey, essentials to learn for data science. How data science is the beginning of AI. Data science serves as the foundation for artificial intelligence because it involves the collection, analysis, and interpretation of data, which is essential for training AI models. AI systems rely on vast amounts of data to learn patterns, make decisions, and solve problems. Let's check how data science connects to the beginning of AI. Firstly, data acts as the building block of AI. AI, particularly machine learning, needs large data sets to function. Without data, AI models cannot learn or improve. Data science helps collect, clean, and structure this data. All the steps in data science are essential in AI, such as data pre-processing, feature engineering, model building, insights and decision-making, and finally, evaluation of AI models. Data science involves understanding the underlying features or variables that contribute to predictive models. In AI, these features help train algorithms to make accurate predictions or classifications. The core of AI is developing models, like machine learning and deep learning, to solve problems. Data science focuses on creating and validating these models using statistical and computational techniques. One of the first steps in AI development is data preparation, cleaning and pre-processing raw data into a form that AI algorithms can understand. This involves handling missing values, scaling data, and encoding categorical variables, all of which are part of data science. Data science is essential for generating insights from data, which helps in formulating AI algorithms that can make autonomous decisions or predictions based on patterns in the data. Data scientists evaluate and improve AI models using statistical tests and error metrics. AI depends on continuous evaluation and tuning, which falls under the domain of data science. In summary, data science lays the groundwork by providing the necessary data and insights for AI to develop, learn, and evolve. Without the principles of data collection, analysis, and model validation, AI would not be able to function effectively. How to start a data science journey. Starting a journey in data science can seem daunting due to the vast number of concepts and tools involved. However, breaking it down into manageable steps can make the process smoother. Let's look into the roadmap to get started with a data science journey. Understand the basics of data science. What is data science? Learn about the field of data science and its role in the broader world of AI and analytics. Understand how it applies to solving real-world problems. Understand key data science concepts like data collection, data wrangling, exploratory data analysis, machine learning, and statistical modeling. Then, learn programming for data science. Python is the most widely used language in data science due to its libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn, and its versatility. R is also popular for statistical analysis and data visualization. Key Python libraries are NumPy for numerical computing, Pandas for data manipulation and analysis, Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization, and scikit-learn to implement machine learning algorithms. Grasp the fundamentals of mathematics and statistics. Linear algebra is key for understanding machine learning algorithms, especially in deep learning. Statistics is necessary to learn about descriptive statistics, such as mean, median, mode, and variance, as well as probability distributions, hypothesis testing, and statistical inference. Calculus helps in understanding optimization techniques used in machine learning algorithms, especially gradient descent. Data manipulation and cleaning. Data wrangling is another term used for data manipulation. It works on cleaning and pre-processing raw data, like handling missing values, correcting data types, and removing outliers. You can practice loading, manipulating, filtering, and transforming datasets using the Pandas library in Python. Data visualization. Visualization helps in understanding trends, patterns, and relationships within data. Learn Python tools and libraries such as Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly for creating plots and dashboards. Tableau and Power BI are also powerful tools for creating interactive visualizations. Learn machine learning. There are mainly two types of learning. Supervised learning algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, random forests, and support vector machines, or SVMs, are the most common. Unsupervised learning includes clustering algorithms like k-means and hierarchical clustering, and techniques like principal component analysis, or PCA, for dimensionality reduction. If you're more advanced, explore neural networks and deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Work on real-world projects. Start with Kaggle competitions or projects on GitHub to gain hands-on experience. Identify data sets from various domains like healthcare, finance, and retail, and work on solving real-world problems. Work on personal projects to build a portfolio that demonstrates your abilities. Learn SQL and databases. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is essential for querying databases and handling large data sets. Learn how to retrieve and manipulate data from relational databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or SQL Server. Understanding NoSQL databases, for example, MongoDB, is helpful, especially for unstructured data. Model evaluation and tuning. Learn techniques like cross-validation, confusion matrix, precision, recall, F1 score, ROC AUC, and so on, to evaluate the performance of your models. Understand model tuning techniques like hyperparameter optimization, such as grid search and random search, to improve model performance. Version, control, and collaboration. Learn Git and GitHub for version control, which is important for tracking changes in code and collaborating with other data scientists. Practice documenting your projects clearly so others can follow your process. Essentials to learn for data science. 1. Programming languages, Python, R2, data manipulation, Pandas, NumPy, SQL. 3. Data visualization, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Tableau. 4. Machine learning, supervised and unsupervised learning, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch. 5. Mathematics and statistics, linear algebra, probability, statistical inference. 6. Big data, Hadoop, Spark. 7. Model evaluation, cross-validation, ROC OUC, F1 score. 8. Version control, Git and GitHub. 9. Communication, data storytelling, and presentation skills. Starting with these steps and essentials will build a strong foundation in data science and prepare you for further specialization in machine learning or AI fields. In the next video, we will start our data science journey.